everyone, Shraddha here. So today I am going to talk about pillars of digital marketing. So these are the pillars where if we are comfortable with these keywords or these pillars, so we can do great in the digital marketing, and if we get to know the importance of these pillars. So let's talk about these pillars. So first would be content. We say our content is a king. So is the king. So if we are using a website where everything say relevant keywords, great landing page, everything is there, then we need not to pay something, or we need not to run campaign to promote our website. It will be doing automatically. We need not to do anything, because within 6 to 7 months our SEO will start working, search engine optimization, and then our website will start ranking. So if we are using great content with simple language, there would be no jargons, then we can do great through our website also. Next is communication. So suppose you are running any service website, and I need your services, maybe related to digital marketing, writing, or something else. So if I am trying to like get in touch with you, I am texting you on your website, but the thing is I'm not at all getting the reply. Instant reply I'm not getting. There is no chatbot on your website, and I'm not getting any kind of engagement from your end, and I'm waiting for your reply. So don't you think it would be worthless to lose clients or customer in this way? So I am waiting for your reply, and you are not at all active that someone is there, some visitors are there, and they are like trying to get in touch with you. So that would be some kind of communication gap that you need to fill to run a healthy business, and to run a healthy business in the long run. So in order to maintain a good business in the long run, you need to take care of communication part too. And also there should be proper communication amongst your employees, or say top level, like whatever management level is there. So you need to communicate with each and everyone. You should ask about their perception, you should share your perception, then you guys can get into a mutual perception, or mutual thought process that will work for your company, that will provide relevant results, right? Next is community. So you have seen that like there would be a lot of communities in various social media platforms, maybe on Facebook, maybe on say LinkedIn. So you can create community where you will be adding people based on your business, or relevant people you need to add there. So you can build a community, and if this is going to happen, so you can get good number of leads, because there you will be discussing about your company, you will be discussing about your company, your business or services. You will be talking about say testimonials that you are getting from various clients. So that would be great to build your reputation online. Next is producer. Say okay, so if I am buying something from you, so and you have, say you are a seller for me, and I bought something from you. So here you need not to say I have just ऐसे बोलते ना कि हमने एक बार जो ले लिया, अब हमें इससे क्या करना. Now this buyer is not of any, like it is not of any use, so let him be, or let her be. So you need not to do this. You should take care of each and every one, every person, every client. So not only new customers, but also existing customers you should take care of. So if you are taking care of your existing customer, actually there is a rule, a Pareto principle, 80-20 rule. So if you are taking care of your 20% people, so they can help you in growing your 80% of the business. So you should take care of your existing customers also. Next is search. So your website should be like it is doing good, it is ranking on say Google page. So if I am searching for some content, your website is very simple. Say the link or the URL of your website is not complicated. If I'm trying to search like best SEO tools, and you are providing SEO tools, so your website link should match some, like not completely, but some broad match, or some say like some kind of phrase will be matching with the search that I am looking for. So if you are doing this, your website will be getting great, say higher chances to get ranked on Google. So yeah, you should take care of your website link also, the domain, or the like whatever URL you are using. So it should be very clear, and it should be very simple, that someone is looking intentionally or unintentionally for that keyword, so your website is coming in the front page of Google. Next is design. Okay, so your website design should be like, it should be mobile friendly. It's not like if I am using it on laptop, then only I can see your website. If I'm using it on phone also, then also your website should be opened. It's not like there should be any device barrier that I can't open in like mobile phone. So you should take care of this too. Design should be responsive enough in every kind of device, say laptop, tab, or phone. So you should take care of this too. Okay, then control tactics. So control is like, so whatever processes are going on, you should keep an eye on it. If there is something fishy, or if you are thinking that something is going wrong, so you can work on it and you can improve it so that you can get better results. Then tactics. See, we are in the world of digital marketing, and tactics and strategies both are different things. Strategies will be something for in the long run, while tactic, maybe this tactic is working for today only, maybe it will be working for this week only. So tactics are something that if you are focusing on, your business can do great. I'm not saying that tactics are better than strategy, they both are good, but tactics are something that if you are focusing today and you want leads today, you want conversion today, and you are thinking about a strategy that is in the long run, you are thinking about the results in the long run, so that would be of no use. You need quicker results, so for that matter you should take care of, you should think about some tactics, that is some, like, you are thinking in this manner and you are using this way, you are using this tactic and you are getting results, so you should take care of tactics also. Because say if I have my Instagram or LinkedIn page and I'm not at all getting engagement, and my, like, I have been asked to get to increase engagement. So what I'll do, I'll start posting more number of posts on a daily basis. I'll start asking my friends to like or to say share, and I'll start putting it in my personal account. And like, I can do these type, because these are something that I can't do on a daily basis, but sometimes I can do. So you should take care of these tactics also. And next is objective actions. Whatever you are doing, your objective should be very clear. Whatever you are doing, or whatever you are taking action, whatever actions you are taking, you should be very clear regarding that actions also. And you should know why are you taking these actions and what will be the end results of these actions. So these are the pillars of digital marketing. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about. That's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and let me know if you want me to come up with any topic of my area of interest. I will be covering that topic too. And yes, so stay tuned, we'll be coming soon with my next video. So bye, take care.